Ministry has already approved the decision to raise the marriageable age of women to 21 from to 18. Do you think this is a correct decision? Yes, then why?
Okay, yeah, I do agree with this statement. Like, I do agree with this bill, whatever will going to be passed in Lok Sabha, as because we doesn't heard about this news basically in Kolkata, but in the rural areas it happened because the parents, I mean, the many families are there, they can't even afford their daughter basically to send to school, like to afford them to bringing up in a proper manner. So basically, what happened? They just wait for the 18 years old, and they used to get their. I mean, they send their daughter to their. I mean, to get married. Okay, so basically, that's a right decision. I think the girls. I mean, the daughters should get every knowledge, every. I mean, every proper way to be born and brought up in a right way, and they should go get a proper education. They should be established. I mean, there should be a, I mean, egalitarian rules that a girls and a boys should have a true, I mean, they should brought up in a equal way. They also should get every proper education, everything, as in our society boys and girls should be same. Like, I do agree with that.
Some of the political parties are opposing the decision in
Yeah.
Lok Sabha. So do you think this, how much correct is it?
No, I think this should, we should not take these things in a political way. We should take this thing in a, I mean, we should see in a proper way in a society that whatever they the decision whatever they had taken, that is completely right. And I don't want to talk regarding this political things because it's a useless. If we talk in a political manner, this is completely useless. It's not acceptable because we should see these things that every see. I don't want to argue in a political way, but I want to say this thing that if we see in a societal manner, if we see that in society the girls should get a proper I mean proper upbringing thing what they are not getting. We are not seeing it in a Kolkata, but basically we see these things usually happen in rural areas, and we doesn't get the proper news also. Because I have seen that when I was in class 12, basically I went to one of the places in Bolpur. Even over there they doesn't even get a, I mean, they doesn't have a current, they doesn't get a food in a daily basis, in a daily, I mean, proper manner. So basically for them we don't know, because we are having in we are staying in a good lifestyle, we are getting every education, so we don't know about all these things. Basically if you go in a rural areas, you can see their condition. So that is why I do agree with it.
What is the advantages if the bill passed in Lok Sabha?
See, the advantages in the in the way, like I would say that the girl will get a proper education. They will get in future. They will get a good job. They will stand by in their own